Are you looking for a campground near Calgary with amazing natural beauty but low cost camping fee? Well, then, I have an interesting recommendation for you. Ram Falls is not only an amazing tourist spot with breathtaking natural beauty, but also a great camping site with a reasonable camping fee of around $40 per night, including taxes. Ram Falls are 20 meters in height with a fantastic viewpoint, which is truly a sight to behold. And the best part, the falls are just about 10 minutes walk, from the camping ground within the Ram Falls Provincial Park. I camped there with my family for a night, and the camping facilities were not bad for the price. A quick tip for camping there: make sure that you reserve your campground online and do take a printout of the camping permit, as there is no office there to reserve your camping ground on the spot. If you come into Ram Falls from Calgary, it will take you about 3 hours to reach there, and the drive is spectacular. We were also very lucky to see a lot of beautiful horses along the way. Also, we saw many ATVs near Ram Falls on our way back to Calgary. So, if you're interested in that kind of stuff, something to look into. The park's trails are suitable for various skill levels, making it accessible for families and hikers. And the hike, friends, is extremely rejuvenating. Wow. The falls and the beauty of the trees.
Oh my god.
Stunning.
Stunning. Yeah,
Just see the mountains as well. Snow-capped peaks. And then the falls. Trees. Yes. Okay, let's walk.